What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I wanted to make this video to explain two-factor authentication for PayPal and how exactly it works. So obviously for an app like PayPal where it's managing your money and it has direct access to your bank account and debit cards possibly, you really want the security of two-factor authentication. And luckily PayPal provides this with you where you do need two-factor authentication to access into your account, whether this be through Face ID, through sending a message through your email or text, or an authentication app. The two-factor authentication should already be set up for your PayPal when you make the account. If it's not already set up, what you're going to have to do is send an email to PayPal. This is pretty rare. If it's not set up, there's definitely something wrong with your account. So send an email to PayPal and have them check it out for you, and then they could either enable it or tell you what's wrong with your account. That's pretty much all there is to it about two-factor authentication. If you have any other questions on how it works, how to enable it, or even disable it, please comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, be sure to read the description down below because there's important information you wouldn't want to miss, and then also subscribe. Thanks for watching.